What up? It's your guy. Jag 2 Slot. See, they don't like me to have it.
Put your vlog down. You ain't getting no views.
Man, don't worry about it. I'm gonna get views on this one. I'm gonna get views
Hey,
on this one.
how about look? If you go around and you see a dark gray Mustang, just know it's gapping this man's shit right here.
Okay, mine don't even drive straight, so it's not easy.
Your shit don't work.
Cameraman right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all the cars and a bit, all that good stuff. Look who it is. I'm recording right now. Show it up to the camera. You see it on the camera? What up, baby? Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the car. See, everybody came out for my boy. RIP, man. That's for you. See, we got a little 5.0 right here. I don't know. That's a 5.0 truck. He got the Ford stars on it all the way around. Clean as hell. I ain't lying. Woo. So y'all, they got the little Tesla over there. I thought it was a Hellcat for a second. I seen the badges on the side. I thought it was a Hellcat. We got the Sierra. See the plate in that bill? We got Bodie's caddy right here. Then we got everybody. Oh, I got it. What is it? Yeah. Tires in the back. I don't know why he got so many tires back there. Hold on, let's get him sliding in. Hold on, let's get him sliding in. Sliding in, you see the wheels on, man? Okay, see the cords on that bitch. Then we got the little 5.0 right here. Then we got the little vet, man. Yeah, first YouTube in like a year, I think. Hold on, Adam. I ain't never young. You in a little video? Little photo I thought. 5.0. We got the Marrow and the Hooser. We got all the bikes. It's clean, son. Nah, you good? It's yours?
No, I got mine over there.
All these bitches fire. All the bitches not. I like these bitches. Oh, we ain't go. That motherfucker there. Hell nah. This the great one he was talking about in the beginning. These ugly ass wheels on this bitch. Got all the bikes. This piece of no? I don't know who it's for. I don't know who it's for. We got the red bit. Arrow. Got a little Supra. Carol Shelby. Oh, United States Post Office. We got a big ass turbo. We got Beamer. 15. You see who it is, boy? Got the little gap camera on the back for what? Man. You see what I got? You got my boots? You got my boots. You got my boots, huh? I brung yours. They in my car. But you ain't gonna get them because you don't have mine. Got the little Dodge right here. Mustang. Little EcoBoost. YouTube video. Say something to the YouTube. What up? What you got to say to the YouTube, man?
My single cap's slow.
No, it's not. It look good, though. Nice to meet you, man. We got everybody out, man. We got the Mustang on the back. I don't know who this great Mustang for, but we got the pack and all that on. Hey. We got the truck. Little single cab.
He's actually about to run.
Ready that bitch. Pussy. Alright, never mind. You're not a pussy no more. If you watching the video. Yeah. Messing with that? Dude, that's why my package got the same day delivered. Oh, toolbox. Hey, Cole.
How much money you want to think that's nitrous in there? Because why is a toolbox like that?
It's on the bottom, man.
What's going on, baby? Got everybody out. It's been a minute. Almost off. Crazy. Oh. Hey, that bitch sound good, man. I fuck with that motherfucker, man. You need to dump, son. Soup.
Nice straight pocket.
This bitch so nice, son. Ah, no. Look at this bitch, son. Son. Yes. Yes. You gotta do it. You gotta do it one more time. I ain't get it. His car look like mine, all the pollen on top of it. Come on, Tyler, get in yours. Swear, is that loud? Is it really that loud?
I mean, yeah, that's what mine sounded like. Well,
Oh, he got the single?
mine was a little bit louder because he's got off-brand, but this bitch is really loud.
A small tire car? Need an Ella?
Somebody stop. Somebody